just a quick note to say that the booking page is now up and running for the 3 upcoming guided meditation sessions, which will be happening live on Zoom November 19th, November 26th and December 3rd between 6 and 7 p.m. GMT. These can be explored individually if you can only make one, only want to do one, or progressively. The first session will be relaxation, the second session will be restoration, and the third session will be reflection. So there's something there for everyone. The space will be held in a very relaxed and flowing way, meeting the needs of the group. Whoever shows up on the day, it will be tailored to that space, and it will follow a structure with check-in. It's a confidential space. It will be limited numbers, so an intimate group. And yeah, this is time for you, and you engage with it as you see fit. So this could be an opportunity just for connection, to catch up with yourself. You might have a question creatively that you want to bring into that space. So there's an opportunity to set intentions and to move through practical tools in a sequential manner. We'll be looking at grounding, breathwork, exploring inner dialogue as well. So support, allow, listen. It's really time for you, and maybe time for a friend or time for a colleague if you know someone that you would like to gift this to as well. That would be a really nice end of year offering for someone that you care about. So if that is of interest to you, as I said, you can head over now to that booking page. You'll be able to find a link to that on the homepage of my website, leesmitchellnoble.com. Also, if you head over to the services section of the website, you'll find a booking link there as well. And yeah, I really hope to see you there. As I said, it'll be limited spaces, so if you feel keen for 1, 2 or all 3 sessions, then book as soon as you can, and all the links and more information will make its way out to you. Take care, everyone.